What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve an easy winged liner, even if you're a beginner. First, let me start by saying achieving great winged liner takes a lot of practice. It might take you anywhere from 3 months to 3 years to perfect it just the way you like, and it especially depends on how much you practice it. So please do not get discouraged if you try to do this after watching this video and fail. It takes time. Fail your way to perfection. I'm using this e.l.f. liquid liner, but you can use any liquid, felt tip pen, or gel eyeliner you like. Just make sure it has a pointed and precise tip. Then you want to place your pinky on your upper cheek near your eye. This will help you guide your eyeliner more precisely. Remember to start at the very tip of your eye and draw a slanted line upwards toward the tip of your brow. Try to keep the wingtip part of your liner within the perimeter of the tip of your brow so that you don't draw the wing out too far, unless you're going for that look. Now you want to draw a slanted line from the tip of the wing downward to your lash line and then fill it all in. If you struggle with your winged liner, like we all do at one time or another, and are looking to perfect it, give this video a thumbs up. Always remember to start off small, keeping your lines thin. You can always go back and thicken them up if you like, but you don't want to start off thick because there will be no room for error. Now you can start from the inner corner of your lash line and follow the lash line to the wing portion and connect it. Lastly, just keep double and triple checking that your liner is looking precise. Go back and touch up any areas that looks a little jagged. A couple other tips that's really helped me is to look down into a mirror as you're applying it, and always apply your mascara after you do the winged liner. If you apply mascara before a winged liner, it's kind of hard for you to see the lines because of the fullness of the lashes. So, do you like the end results? Will you be trying this and practicing at it? If you feel like this video has or will help you achieve good winged liner, comment down below and let me know. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego!